Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be keeping it short, sweet, and simple. We're going to be doing this makeup look that I would like to title and call Lips and Lashes. That's right, we're going to be doing a red lip, a bright red lip with long dramatic lashes. We're going to keep the colors simple today, but all the emphasis is going to be on the lips and the lashes. I think this is a really glamorous look. I'm wearing it just every day just because that's me. But if you're gonna dress up and maybe it's a date night or you're going to a wedding or a party, this is a perfect look to wear with a beautiful dress or outfit that's very dramatic and glamorous. It's kind of like a Marilyn Monroe moment, honestly. And yet it's really simple and easy to pull off. So if you wanna see how I did this look, then keep watching. Okay, so today we're gonna do like a simple eye look, but with a pop of a red lip. Who doesn't like a red lip? And we're gonna be using a particular type of red, and I'll explain why. But first of all, we're gonna go ahead and I want to use this. It's got neutrals in it, but it's also got colors as well. This is a classic, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette is a great one because it does have neutrals in it, but it also has some color. And so we're gonna do a very simple eye today with a very dramatic lash. But the real focal point is gonna be the red lip. So obviously you could see that I have used this quite a bit. There's hardly any left, but we're gonna take this tempera, I believe that's how you say it, tempera color, the lightest, like neutral color, and again, I put it towards the center here to brighten. I've already done my foundation and my contouring. We're just gonna focus, and I even did my eyebrows, hey. But we're just gonna focus on the color here to kind of give you guys an idea of what's the best way to do red, because I know it's just so easy just to keep going with neutrals, but every now and then we need to do some color. Color is your friend. Remember, I've said this before. So I'm taking this color that's right next to the tempera. I don't know if you can see it. It's called golden ochre. That's how you say that word. It's spelled kind of strange, but that's how you do it. And we're going to put it on both lids. Then we're going to take this, yeah, I'm going to go with this one. It's called burnt orange. We're going to run with that color. And we're going to do it from the inside of the crease and just blow it out. Almost all the way to the brow, up out of the crease, into the upper lid. Take that. It's a very soft, subtle one. That's why I like this palette so much. These colors are so flattering. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm going to work it almost all the way right up to the brow. Right there. Blow it out. Blow it out. Now that we've used mostly that color, I'm now going to go back, excuse me, with this warm taupe. It's called warm taupe color right here to do the outer part. We're going to keep it soft. We're not going to go like really dark and dramatic on the eyes. We're going to kind of keep them to light to medium tone, not real dark, because the emphasis really is going to be on the lips and on the lashes. And today we're doing a different set of lashes. I've been wearing these that I'm going to show you for about a week now. And they are awesome. So that warm taupe, we're going to keep working it. You see, and just blend. Okay, I'm going to take my excuse me, blending brush my JH33 and just keep working it. Blend out, diffuse those edges. We worked it all the way up to the eyebrow. These look awesome. Okay, now that we've got all 4 colors, because remember we did the tempera, the golden ochre on the lid, then we have the burnt orange in the mid center crease here, and then the outer crease we did the warm taupe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take that smaller brush, one of my favorite ones, the Morphe brush, the JH39, this one right here, and I'm going to take that burnt orange color, and it's a soft color. I really like it. It's not going to be like too dark. It's kind of a medium tone, and I'm going to work it right underneath all the way. And ladies, I just want to say the reason it is a good idea to use your eyeshadow under your eye instead of eyeliner is because if you are older and you have some creases and lines underneath your eye, you maybe get some crepiness right under here. When we put eyeliner on it, it gives it a very harsh line. And so sometimes it can actually accentuate it can actually accentuate the creases that are underneath there. But if you'll take your eyeshadow and you'll just lightly smoke it and smudge it out, it kind of helps blend and cover up those creases that are underneath the eye. It distracts from it. So the main focus is on your eyes and not on the creases that are around your eyes. Okay, the next thing is, now that we've got the eyeshadow on, I'm going to go ahead and, just because I feel like putting on color right now, I'm going to get my blush brush, my It Cosmetics one. See. And we're going to be doing a different, like, peachy blush today. I know the last time we used the Peach Primrose by Flower Beauty, but today we're going to be using a Sephora one. This one's called Love Child, and it's a very soft peach. Remember, we said we want the emphasis today to be on the lashes and on the lips. Oh, yeah. So I'm just going to lightly dab that up right here on the cheeks. So we're going to do a little bit more subtle eye today. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Now we're going to do the liquid eyeliner different this time. Last time I showed you guys a winged look, but because of the lashes that I'm using today are much more dramatic and they're very long on the ends, I'm going to just do a simple layer of the NYX Epic Ink liquid eyeliner right from the beginning of my eyelid all the way to the end. I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just going to keep it simple, round it out, because the lashes are going to be long enough that it kind of gives that open-eyed look, very dramatic. So let's just keep it simple. So I'm just going to follow, hopefully you guys can see this, I'm just going to follow my eyeline. I'm going to start out real thin. And just go to the end. And of course the line is a little bit wider towards the end. I'm just following the shape of my eye, really. Okay, so I believe I've got this pretty even. I just followed the shape of my eyes. I just went from the corner of the inside of the lid all the way to the outside. That just sets us up. The next step is to put on the mascara. Okay, now I have the mascara on the lower and upper lids, and I am still using the Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara right now. If I'm trying anything new, I'll mention it in future videos, but right now I'm using this one. We did just a nice layer. I don't want to say like a thick layer on the lashes, but we did a nice medium layer on them because really the emphasis is going to be on the fake lashes that I'm about to put on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab my Tarteist mascara, or lash, not mascara, lash glue. And the new lashes that I've been using for the last, I want to say maybe week and a half, are these. They are Cocoa lashes. These are so cool. Cocoa Lashes is the brand, and I like these so much I went ahead and ordered several more pairs because that way I have backup. And the style that these are is called Queen Bee, in case you can't see it. Cocoa Lashes in Queen Bee. And these are just so dramatic. Like they're wispy. That's really my favorite, is to get like the wispy kind of, because it looks more like my natural lashes, but longer and more dramatic. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab one, put a small layer. And I work those babies on there. Look at that. Is that not dramatic or what? I mean, that says hello. It is so flirty. So when you blink at somebody or wink, they're going to notice. All right. Both lashes are on. I mean, these are like seriously dramatic. I am loving these. So flirty, so girly. You want to get some attention brought to your eyes. These are definitely ones you want to use. Now on these, like not like the last video that I did, I kind of cut them down more. These I left more length on them. I cut them to size. They stop a little bit closer on the inside, not all the way here. I just kind of feel uncomfortable when they're that long and touching the inside. Just the way my eye shape is, it's kind of odd. But these I left more of the fake lash on instead of just doing it on the end, so it will give me a full lash here. So flirty. I think you guys are going to really love this. Let's move on, and I'm going to use my favorite lip liner. It is the MAC Strip Down lip liner, and like I said, this one you can really work with because it's more like the natural color of your lip. I'm just going to lightly pencil right outside the edge of my lip, just to give it more volume. Hopefully you guys can see this. I penciled right outside. It gave the lips a lot more volume. Now we're going to go in with our pop of red, and I really like this color red because it's an orangey red. It is bright, and like I said, most of the emphasis is going to be on the lashes today and the lips. And this also, when you use like an orangey red, it makes your teeth look even whiter. You know, they don't have to be perfectly white. If they are, awesome. But, you know, hey, maybe you drink coffee. In the South here, we drink sweet tea. So after a while, that can kind of do a number on you. But this lipstick is by Dose of Colors. And this was the Desi and Katie collab. I'm not sure if they still have this. Hopefully they do. But I know that they have other colors that are really, really close and similar to this. It is an orangey red. And I'm really loving it. Look at that. Look how bright it is. It almost matches my nails. It's almost like a kind of like a corally red. So let's just start here and arc it in. Ooh, look at that. And we're going to stay right within the lines that we made with our lip liner. Ooh, ah, so dramatic. Just, you know, take your time. You want to get a really sharp edge on that lip. And this lipstick dries pretty quickly. It lasts pretty good during the day. And look at that. Ooh, yeah. All right, now that you see how I did this look, I hope you can appreciate just how glamorous and beautiful a red lip is, and how simple it really is to do a neutral eye, just a simple palette, put all the emphasis on the lashes and the lips, and it makes such a huge difference. And I know, you know, doing a red lip can kind of be scary because I don't do it every single day. You know, when you have color on, there's more emphasis on your mouth, so there's more pressure to get it right. But I believe that you guys can do this. Play, practice with it. Like I always say, you just got to play with it. You got to take some time for yourself and just play with the products, play with the makeup and the colors, and you'll be surprised and pleasantly surprised and happy about what kind of results that you guys can get. You know, as I talked about earlier in the video, sometimes a nude lip can be more forgiving, but a red lip says, look at me. And that's why you take a little extra time just to get it right. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. You learned some things. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and click down below and give me that. Any more suggestions on things you'd like to see in the future. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on it, subscribe to it. There's a lot more videos coming. I have a lot more fun and cool and interesting things to show you guys. Spring is here and we're gonna have so much fun with colorful palettes and eyeshadows and lipstick looks, and it's just everything girl. It's wonderful. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. And don't forget, beauty can be at any age.
Yes, I do.